Hello friends, in chapter 3 we will study today product matrix multiplication. Matrix multiplication. So suppose A equals to Aij m cross n and B equals to Bij P cross Q are two matrices of any order, then when each matrix multiplication is possible. So two matrix product is possible only and only when the first matrix number of column is equals to the second matrix number of rows. Means for any two matrix product is possible if we write A into B, then number of column in A is equals to number of rows in a B. If we write B into A, then number of column in B is equals to number of rows in A. Means matrix product is possible only and only the number of column in first matrix equals to number of rows in a second matrix. And so suppose A order is 2 cross 3, B order is 3 cross 5, then here number of rows and so AB is possible. But BA is not possible because here B's column is 5 and A's rows is 2. And so we want to define any two matrix multiplication. That first condition is there, the first number matrix column is equals to the second number matrix number of rows must be equal. Now let's see how to multiply two matrix. So suppose A is given 1, 2, 6, 7 and B is given 2, 3, 5, 6, 7 minus 8. So here A order is 2 cross 2 and B order is 2 cross 3. So we can see here A order 2 cross 2, B order 2 cross 3. So matrix multiplication is possible. So AB we find out. So any matrix multiplication we want to do, then each element will be written by first row multiply with the first column, first row multiply with the second column, like this way. 1 into 2. Here row multiplication, here column multiplication. So 1 into 2 plus 6 into 6. That will give us a first matrix multiplication. Here 1 multiply 3 plus 6 multiply 7, 1 multiply 5 plus 6 multiply minus 8. The second row will give the second row's elements. So 2 multiply 2 plus 7 multiply 6, 2 multiply 3 plus 7 multiply 7, 2 multiply 5 plus 7 multiply minus 8. Now we can see that 1 2 are 2 plus 6 6 are 36. Here 3 plus 42. Here 5 minus 48. 4 plus 42. 6 plus 49 and 10 minus 56. And so our product will be 36 to 38, 42 and 3, 45, minus 43, 46, 55 and minus 46. So here you can see that we have multiplied 2 cross 2 and 2 cross 3, then we are getting order of the new matrix will be, that is 2 cross 3. So if A matrix is of the order m cross n and B matrix is of the order n cross q, then the AB's order will be m cross q. Now let's see another example. A equals to given -2, 3, 6, 7, 8, 9. B equals to given 3, 5, 8, 1, 2, 3. So here A order is 2 cross 3, B order is 3 cross 2. So here you can see that their columns and number of columns in A is equals to number of row in B. So AB we can define is equals to -2 into 3, like this way we will go, plus 3 into 5 plus 6 into 8. For the second element we will go -2 into 1 plus 3 into 2 plus 6 into 3. Again second column 7 into 3 plus 8 into 5 plus 9 into 8. 7 into 1 plus 8 into 2 plus 9 into 3. And so we can write here -6 plus 15 plus 48 -2 plus 6 plus 18 21 plus 40 plus 72 7 plus 16 plus 27. And so here we add them. Then 15 minus 6 9 and 48 plus 9 57. Here 6 minus 2 4, 18 plus 4 22. Now 1 2 3 7 4 11 11 and 2 13 133 16 6 7 13 7 20 carry 2 2 1 3 2 5 50. So AB answer we got 57 22 133 50. Now here we can see that if we want to find out BA, so here BA, so again 3 cross 2 and 2 cross 3, so number of column in B equals to number of row in A, and so it is also possible. So now B cross A we are taking. So in the B first we will write 3 5 8 1 2 3 multiplication with -2 3 6 7 8 9. So here we multiply, then like this way we will go, and first element will be 3 multiply -2 plus 1 multiply 7. Second element will be 3 multiply 3 plus 1 multiply 8. Then third element will write 3 multiply 6 plus 1 multiply 9. Now for the second row element we can write 5 multiply -2 2 multiply 7. Second row second element will be 5 multiply 3 plus 2 multiply 8, and second row third element will be 5 multiply 6 plus 2 multiply 9. Now same way third row we multiply, then 8 into -2 plus 3 into 7, 8 into 3 plus 3 into 8, and 8 into 6 plus 3 into 9. Now we simplify them, Then 3 to the minus 6 plus 7. 3 to the 9 plus 8. 18 plus 9. Minus 10 plus 14. 15 plus 16. 30 plus 18. So minus 16 plus 21. 24 plus 24. 48 plus 27. And so we get here 1, 17, 27, 4, 31 and 48, 5, 48, 15 carry 1, 75. So we can see that AB and BA answers are different. So matrix multiplication is not a commutative. Now let's we see that for matrix A equals to 1 0 2 3, B equals to given minus 1 1 2 3, C equals to given 3 6, C minus 2 4 1. Then is it true A B into C is equal to A into BC? Then we can see here, first we want to find out AB. So A and B has the same order 2 cross 2, 2 cross 2, 2 cross 2. So here A into B is possible, and so we can find out it. So A is row and B is column. Then 1 into minus 1 plus 0 into 2. 1 into 1 plus 0 into 3, 2 into minus 1 plus 3 into 2, and here 2 into 1 plus 3 into 3. So we can get minus 1 plus 0, 1 plus 0, minus 2 plus 6, 2 plus 9, and so it will be minus 1 1 4 11. Now AB's multiplication with the C we require, so it will be minus 1 4 1 11 into 3 minus 2 4 1. So again we multiply them, then we get it minus 1 into 3 plus 1 into 4 minus 1 into minus 2 plus 1 into 1, 4 into 3 plus 11 into 4, 4 into minus 2 plus 11 into 1. And so we get minus 3 plus 4, 2 plus 1, 12 plus 44, minus 8 plus 11. And so it will be 1 3 6 56 and here 3. Now we want to find out right hand side. So for the right hand side, first we will calculate BC. So it is minus 1 1 2 3 into 3 minus 2 4 1. So we take the multiplication, then minus 1 into 3 plus 1 into 4 minus 1 into minus 2 plus 1 into 1, 2 into 3 plus 3 into 4 and 2 into minus 2 plus 3 into 1. So its simplification will give us minus 3 plus 4, 2 plus 1, 6 plus 12 minus 4 plus 3, and so it will be 1 3 18 and minus 1. Now we want A into BC, so it will be 1 0 2 3 multiply 1 3 18 minus 1, so it will be 1 into 1 plus 0 into 18, 1 into 3 plus 0 into minus 1, 2 into 1 plus 3 into 18, and 2 into 3 plus 3 into minus 1. So we can see that it is 1 plus 0, 3 plus 0, 2 plus 54 and 6 minus 3. We simplify them 1, 3, 56 and 3. So we can say that the matrix multiplication is associative. It's AB into C equals to A into BC. Now let's see the matrix follows the distributive law or not. For that, left hand side we want to solve A into B plus C. So A matrix is there 1, 0, 2, 3 and B plus C. So B and C addition is there minus 1 plus 3, 2, 1 plus minus 2, minus 1, 2 plus 4, 6 and 3 plus 1, 4. And so we multiply them, then 1 into 2 plus 0 into 6, 1 into minus 1 plus 0 into 4, 2 into 2 plus 3 into 6, 2 into minus 1 plus 3 into 4. So we simplify that 2 plus 0, 1 minus 1 plus 0, 4 plus 18 minus 2 plus 12. So we get 2 minus 1, 22 and 10. Now we check AB plus AC. So A 1, 0, 2, 3 into minus 1, 1, 2, 3 plus 1, 0, 2, 3 into 3 minus 2, 4, 1. So we can multiply them and can write 1 into minus 1 plus 0 into 2, 1 into 1 plus 0 into 3, 2 into minus 1 plus 3 into 2, 2 into 1 plus 3 into 3 plus 1 into 3 plus 0 into 4, 1 into minus 2 plus 0 into 1, 2 into 3 plus 3 into 4, 2 into minus 2 plus 3 into 1. So we can take that minus 1 plus 0, 1 plus 0, minus 2 plus 6 and 2 plus 9 plus 3 plus 0 minus 2 plus 0, 6 plus 12 minus 4 plus 3. So it will be minus 1, 1, 4 and 11 plus 3 minus 2, 18 and 1. We add them. And 3 minus 1, 2, 1 minus 2, minus 1, 4 plus 18, 22, 11 plus 1, 12. Sorry, minus 1. So here 11 minus 1, 10. And so we can see that both the answers are equal. So we can say that matrix also follows the distribution law over production.